Crew. Ooh, perfectly fried, crispy fried chicken. We got peas, butter and garlic, pepper. Ooh, that smells delightful, y'all. Checking on these sweet potatoes. And I say these smell so good. Ooh, smell good. I'm gonna take the top off for the rest of that cook. Ooh, fried to perfection. Golden brown, y'all. Right. Now we bought this from somewhere. Oh, shit. There's 2 pieces cooking. And I decided to cut them up. Just waiting on the sweet potatoes and the candy yams rather, and cornbread. Ooh. Got the peas over there. All right, Chrissy crew.